Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today, I would like to show you just the local updates for SUI. SUI USDT trading pair with my customer set. Let's dive in. All right, guys. The main levels, the main fee for orientation accumulation pump model. You remember we pumped a pretty good one, and we already hit the new all-time high around $5.36. This one in January, by end of January. Can it be the end of cycle? Technically, yes, guys. We just work with possibilities. We can't know the future. We can't know the plan, the global plan of the institutional, but I don't think so. Just my personal opinion. I don't think so. The January 2025, yes, it was the end of cycle for altcoins or for SUI especially. I think we will see the new all-time high for SUI, and the targets, personally for me, is around $6.68, $7.75. So this one, this is what I market. Last FEEP, this one FEEP, what we use it was a all-time high, drop, and just next targets. So technically, you know, the lowest point what we can see, it's a test of first level $2.18. We can hide this FEEP and double check on the main one. You know, this FEEP, what we track it since the listing of SUI May 2023. Imagine, and you remember all targets playing out perfectly well. And once again, so first level, it's a correction of this FEEP, and minus 0.61 level FEEP to $2.20. It's like support also of previously main FEEP. Also the support block, it's usually this one. So 27 zone, like rejection, here rejection, bounce, support, bounce. Now it can be once again the support. So we can hide the FEEP, you know, all targets personally for me relevant. Let's check the gaps. So when you see this chart, what do you think about it? Do you think we can drop lower to sweep liquidity pool? One target, 45 cents, and this is end of cycle, or we can bounce from these current prices because we closed the monthly gap one, and next one monthly gap is here. So it's not necessary. So we should all the time dump to the monthly gaps or the weekly gaps, guys, because I explained it to you on a BTC. We got a lot of gaps, monthly one, around like 2,000, 1,000. So we never drop it back to that one. You can open the chart, for example, of Solana. Solana on the press sale was 20 cents, talking 20 cents. And after that, we skyrocketed in 2019, 2020, 2021 to 250. But when we didn't drop to, I don't know, to $1 or to 75 cents to 50 cents. Maybe in the future, yes, guys, everything possible in crypto. Maybe with regulation, they call it all of this token security, and we going to zero. So this is next also the block like support, but bearish one. In this case, we should drop like April, May also to these levels. That's why. So by logic, if we will see another 2 months down, it means the summer should be green. I don't think so. I don't think so, because for me personally, it's not that seasonality like like market works. So because institutional usually on summer is a low volatile market, and the main volatility we can see the spring and the autumn. So if we already dump it like 58% down, right? We can bounce in the next I don't know, 8 or even 10 weeks. 10 weeks in a row, we can see a higher price target for $7. Imagine the A3 at a $7 when everybody around start talking about a SUI, we go into $10, $20, $100 and all of that stuff. So technically $7, it's more than real targets for SUI. I don't think so that this was the end of cycle. Take a look with my customer set. And also, guys, I'm not a fan of trend lines. Because I a million times explained it. So the people draw the trend line like this one. So we gotta like, you know, by some rules. So here we got a touch. All right. So let's extend it lines, right? Bam. We got a touch. So everything looks like okay, but we can drop it down. Everybody call it it's a fake out, and we come back and going higher. So every single time when something goes not like people waiting for, the people call it the fake out. So when the price goes down, people call it the manipulation. When the price goes up, everybody say it's a healthy move. So guys, it's just a double standards. People see what they want to see on the chart. That's why we just work with just the data, the current data, what we get now. We can't know what the Trump will say next, right? So this is why I use my customer cassette, because indicators absolutely don't have any emotional, nothing. So just data, and that's it. And here, this was a top, this was a top. Technically, there is no divergence on the weekly, still no divergence. That's why I wish to see that pump higher, but build a crazy divergence on a weekly time frame, and it can be the level like $7. Here, this was aphrenia, dump, disbelief, pump, aphrenia, dump. Now it's optimism on the weekly. Weekly, personally, I use all the time for investment. Also, no signal on direction to sell. So yes, we can see one more leg up, to the top, and after that, the signal to sell. What I don't like, of course, the AZ. We're at the top in distribution. We are in the market mode in the aphrenia, direction, no data. Daily time frame here. This is like a flat. So yes, here we formed the divergence. September 24, November 24, and of course here's another top and the pure biggest divergence in January 25. A lot of signals was to sell to out of SUI at the top on direction. So congrats everybody who are out here, guys. Also there's some not advice, just a tip. Don't try to catch exact top. You never sell it exactly at the top, close the chart, and feel good. You can sell at the, I don't know, it's $4.69, and after that you see the price at $5.20, and you start stressing because maybe I'm out too early. Absolutely, guys, don't care if you decide out of coin, no matter what the price is, you're in the profit. Just guys, relax. Just relax. Don't try to catch exact top, to buy exact dip and bottom, because after another dip, we got like 10 more. So never say never, and just make a deal with yourself, whether it's comfortable for you to out of some project and the talking. Market smooth. This is a disbelief capitulation, so everything okay. So it's bullish one. More bullish than bearish now. A lot of factors showing us more bullish than bearish, but guys, you have to understand we got anyway a limitation by growth by time and by gains. Weekly time frame. What we can see now here? This was a buy, sell, buy back, sell. No signal to buy back. It's kind of weird. So let's add alert to buy a money inflow on the weekly. At least we should see something like this one, like we saw in a June somewhere before. Now nothing, guys. On the weekly, also no signal to buy back, nothing. Daily, of course, it's sell, and take a look. Even if you use my customer cassette here, you could fix the profit. Buying here, fix the profit step by step. So you can divide it like I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 orders or 3 orders. You can sell it here. And yes, price go higher, but you absolutely don't care, because anyway, your average, you out in average like this one. So you out at I don't know, 377. Now it's 249. So if we drop, for example, to 159, you can just buy back the same amount of SUI what you got before. So guys, all the time, never chase the top, and also don't be so greedy. And if you invest too much, if you worry too much about your investment amount of money, the size of your position, just withdraw initial deposits after 100% profit and sleep well. Take profit, guys. Last indicator, it's weekly time frame. This is what I don't like. So yes, we tested about the exit line, take profit line. It's $2.08. So it's kind of stressful. Buy line now on a weekly time frame, it's $1.05. Yes, I wish to say no, we never dropped to the buy line on the weekly time frame, but guys, everything possible. We can open the charts, for example, of Fetch AI. It's a great example when everybody is screaming, we never dropped to that target what you shared. We never tested the buy line on the weekly, but we tested. After pump, after crazy rally on AI sector, we dump it and test it. So now $1.06, it's a buy line on weekly time frame. Daily time frame looks much better. It's we tested already buy line. For the while of the SUI now it's $1.96. This is a compression. What we anyway bounce, we will bounce and the test again. Here, this is $2.21. It's a buy line, and like you can see, the fundamental value of the SUI going directly to the monthly gap. So, guys, I hope we will bounce from this current price and going higher, one more leg up, right? But unfortunately, we get like not so many bullish reasons now for continuation, because we already pumped it from 41 cents to $5.30. But I truly believe the $5.36, it's not an end of cycle for SUI and the targets I showed you. So guys, what to do now? It's only up to you. For me personally, I'm not chased to buy the SUI because take a look, even if we hit, I don't know, even if we hit the $8, it's only 220% from this current prices, but with potential losses like 50 or 60 or 70% down. So guys, I hope you like this video. Wrap this in comment what you think about SUI. If you'd like to trade with my customer Chris, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.